What's up, guys, and welcome back to Bukop Entertainment. So, Jacob Zuma was extremely angry at Floyd Shivambu yesterday at a rally that was held, and he was basically telling MK supporters just to forget about Floyd, and he was basically saying Floyd is done, we are done with him. So, whether Floyd is going to leave or whatever that is going to do, Zuma just doesn't care about Floyd at all. Because initially what we thought that it was Duduzile Zuma who hated Floyd and didn't want Floyd, and Jacob Zuma, was just being pushed around by Duduzile. But it turns out, that it's actually Jacob Zuma who does not want Floyd, not Duduzile. So there is nothing left anymore for Floyd at MK, and Floyd must just respect himself and leave MK party, because he's just putting himself under lots and lots of unnecessary pressure. So a lot of people, everybody saw this, that Floyd has made a really bad move by going to MK, and he was warned about it, but he defended the decision. Even right now, he's still being warned to leave MK, but somehow he is still holding on. So, with this recent speech by Jacob Zuma, it turns out, that going forward, there is no one from MK who is going to be supporting Floyd anymore. Jacob Zuma has just like put the nail on the coffin. So, it's definitely over for Floyd. I'll catch you guys on the next one.